Hello, Space Cadets. This is Captain Gatsa, ready to launch. We are beginning by painting our background after we've taped down our paper. And we're kind of going to begin as if we were doing a glazing layer. We're adding our gloss glazing liquid directly to our pigment, and we're kind of mapping out where everything is going to go with color. And again, by not having a blank background, it's going to make it much easier for you to see your colors more accurately and where everything is going to be laid out. And this really helps with any kind of glow. Sometimes it's really hard to replicate a glow, and if you do it now while your paper is still white and it's slightly transparent, it's going to give the feeling that it's lit from within, or it's glowing from within or out. So on this left side, I'm adding in my reds because red planet Earth, is now on fire. And on the right side, I actually started by adding in some warm pigments as well. All I did though was kind of add my red with my blue, because I really do think it's important to have the colors throughout, even if they're separated like we have right now. We have a red side, we have a blue side. But the red should sort of be flowing throughout because it really just makes the piece feel more cohesive. And I'm thinking about my lead characters because in a lot of movie posters you have the ones off to the side, but the lead characters really do need to pop more than the other ones because you want your audience to focus on them. So the glow in the center, it looks like sun at the moment, that is the glow of our astronaut. She has that yellow light glowing from underneath and up onto her helmet. And then underneath that we have our that is it. But we have our young kid, and he is in the blue, and you clean your palette up and that's it. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.